Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today's question is which of the following forms of valine would be expected to exist under the extremely acidic conditions. Take a look at this picture which represents pH scale, and you would see here our blood in the middle, which considered to be neutral, pH neutral, and pH is 7.4. Everything below it would be considered acidic, and everything above would be considered basic. At the very top of the scale we will find very little protons or hydrogen ions, but if we move down the scale we are going to find more and more such protons which specify acidity of say liquid. If we, for example, consider pH 5 and pH 6, we will find that at the pH 5 there are going to be 10 times more protons than at the pH 6, and at the pH 4 we will find 10 times more protons than at the pH 5. So between pH 6 and 4 we are going to have 10 times 10, it's going to be 100-fold difference. So if we compare neutral blood with, for example, lemon, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be 100,000 times more protons or hydrogen ions at the pH 2 than at the pH 7. All these pictures represent valine amino acid, but this picture here represents valine at the pH 7, which is neutral, and at this pH valine exists as Zwitter ion, so has negative charge and positive charge. So molecule with both negative and positive charge we call Zwitter ion. So here we see carboxylic group, and here we have carbon, and this group here is amino group, and here we have alpha carbon, and another carbon in our group would be here, here, and here, and here we also are going to have 1, 2, 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3 hydrogens, and another hydrogen here. So this carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds. This one also has 4 covalent bonds, and this carbon also has 4 covalent bonds. So as you see, our group here consists of only carbons and hydrogens, so would be non-polar and would be non-charged, and change of the pH is not going to affect this R group, but it's going to affect this amino group and this carboxylic acid group. Because this nitrogen has 4 covalent bonds, 1 with carbon and 3 with hydrogen, even if we have a lot of hydrogen ions, nothing is going to happen to it. But in carboxyl group, here we have negative charge, oxygen, and of course this positively charged hydrogen ion would make a bond here, and this would result in this molecule which lost negative charge and has only one positive charge here. So this is going to be our choice, and also I want to tell you how to memorize this molecule, that this is valine. Out of all amino acids, this is the only one that has R group that resemble V. So V stands for the valine, and no any other amino acid that starts with V, only valine. So very easy to memorize. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video. Goodbye.